Hey G12, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mismatch right here, and basically what this is a drawer. So the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this is basically what the product is called right here. So when you first get the package, this is basically what it actually looks like. So let's open it up to show you guys what the product looks like and what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product and see that it's all well packaged and everything, it definitely have all the protection on here. And then once you remove that protection layer, you see everything on here from the different parts. So I'm actually take everything out and then show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when you guys unpack everything from the box, you guys can see that this is basically what's included. So there's definitely a lot of different parts on here. And basically the instruction manual is included in these small little boxes right here. So I'm actually take a look at the instruction manual to see how to set it up first. So see right here, they provide you guys the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set everything up. So let's start setting up to show you guys how to set it up. Alright, so first thing you want to set up is this part right here with these right here. You want to make sure the board is on the correct side. So the way how you guys know which side is which is by looking at the top part. So these two parts right here. If you guys see these two on top, then that is basically the top part. And then this is how you guys look at it. So the line is on this side right here. That means left. And then the other one that we have right here is the right side. And then for the rail, you basically just want to install it right here. And when you guys install it, you probably want to use like the first hole right here because you guys want it to be underneath like the whole area right here. And also one thing to note is that when you guys get the package, the actual screwdriver or whatever is not included. So you definitely need your own. Alright, so we got the first one set up. You basically want to do the same thing on this side and also on the other board as well. So let me just set all of it up first. Alright, so once you guys finish setting up, this is basically what it looks like right here. So what you guys want to do now is to insert both of these onto the back panel and this top part right here. And if you guys follow the instruction manual right here, they tell you guys how you're going to need the V screw and also Q2 screw. And you also will need the U screw as well. So let's set it up and show you guys how to do it. So right here we have the Q2, and then right here we have the U, and then right here we have the V. So let's set it up and show you guys how to do it. Alright, so first thing I want to do is insert these inside right here. Alright, so once you guys got those in, you guys want to put these in as well, right next to it. Alright, so once you guys got that set up, they essentially put it inside right here. Then we're going to use a U screw right here to screw it in. Alright, so once you guys finish this part right here, you guys want to put the U screw on here. So it should go something like this right here. Alright, so once you guys got it in, they should screw it in. So you basically want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Then slide the backboard in here when we're done. Alright, so now we want to slide in the back panel backboard on here. Alright, so now you can work on the bottom part right here. And you basically want to do the same thing. But this time you guys want to put it through the hole right here. But one thing that's different this time is that we're going to use the smaller ones of these right here. Alright, so once you guys put these in right here, you want to get the W1 screws, which are these black screws right here, and screw it in the bottom. Alright, so we got it in. Now let's screw it in. So we got one of them in. You basically want to do the same thing for all the other ones as well. Alright, so we just finished this part right here. What we're going to do next is to install the wheels. So for 2 of the 4 wheels, they actually have the option for you guys to lock it, which is this option right here. So you basically want to put that in the front part right here, and the other 2 you guys want to put in the back. And we'll be using the W3 screws right here to screw it onto this part right here. Alright, so we got it in. And you basically want to do the same thing for all the other ones. So I'm actually finish it up and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we just finished setting up the wheels. So basically what we're going to do now is to set up the drawer. So I'm actually bring this back up and then show you guys how to set up the drawers. Alright, so the way how you guys set up the drawer, you basically want to put this part right here in the back. And you basically want to put these 2 on the side. And once you guys finish this part, you guys can put that board inside right here. And then this will go in the front. So I'm actually start assembling it to show you guys what I mean. So you basically want to put this and this right here. And then you want to screw it in the back part right here. Using the medium screw right here, which is W3. Alright, so we just finished this side right here. We want to do the same thing for the other side right here as well. Alright, so we just finished this part as well. So what you guys want to do now is to slide in the board inside right here. Alright, so once you guys got this part in, you basically want to put this on top right here. And for this part right here, you basically want to use these other 2 accessories. So here's the little wood part. And here's the little part you guys want to screw in to actually hook it in, which should be Q1 and T right here. So you guys want to stick in this part right here. And then same thing for bottom as well. Alright, so once you guys got that in, you guys want to use this part right here to screw it on here. Alright, so once you guys got these 2 steps right here, you basically want to insert right here. Alright, so once you guys got this part set up, you guys want to get the S part right here to put it onto the side. So you basically want to put this right here. Same thing for other side here as well. And you guys want to use the screw right here to lock it. You want to do the same thing for other side as well. Alright, so once you guys finish this part right here, then you guys are done with setting up the drawer. And you can work on the bottom part right here to set the wheels to actually pull it in and out. Alright, so for this part right here, you basically want to screw this part inside right here like this. And you want to use a W3 screw. Same thing for bottom part here as well. And you basically want to do the same thing for other side here as well. But for the other side right here, you guys want to use the other side. You don't want to do the same thing as this side. Alright, so once you guys got it in, this is basically what it actually looks like. So now you can actually put this into the drawer. Alright, so we basically finished the first one right here. So we're going to do the same thing for all of them. So I'm actually finish the rest of these and then put it inside to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we just finished setting the product right here. So what I'm doing now is turn it around and screw this part into the back. So you basically want to put this part right here and then put the screw right here. Alright, so that is basically what it actually looks like. You basically want to do the same thing for all four corners. Alright, so we just finished setting up the back part as well. So if you guys want to use the other accessories, you can definitely do that as well. And basically what the accessory is this part right here. So basically this accessory is for you guys to actually hook it in the back. If you guys want to give that extra support to actually hold it against the wall. If you guys are worried about anything falling off from here. So the material on here, as you can hear, is like this. But for this task, I'm not going to set this up because I don't need this part. So I'm actually bring this against the wall and show you guys how to use the product. Alright, so this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys finish setting it up. So the one that we got right here is a 7 drawer, if you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They do have other ones available that have like a 5 drawer option. So whether you guys want more or less, that is up to you guys. For me, I needed more, so that's why I got the 7 option right here. And you see on the top part right here, you do have the option to actually put stuff on top here if you guys want to as well. So not only are you getting the 7 drawer or 5 drawers on here, you basically get the top option here to put stuff as well. But basically when you guys are ready to use the product, you can pull it out like this. And it comes out all the way that far. And you push it back in. It actually works really, really well and actually glides so easy. And definitely love the option how they have this little hole option. So that way you can just put your hand inside right here to pull it out really easily. But in terms of the size of the drawer right here, it's definitely pretty spacious. So you can definitely put a lot of stuff in here. So maybe you guys want like your underwear, or if you guys want to put like your clothes, if you guys want to put food, you can definitely store it however you guys want to, and put whatever you guys want in here as well. And then for the wheel option in the bottom, if you guys want to roll it around, you definitely can. So let's say if you guys want to keep it around here and you don't want to move it, then you can lock the bottom part right here. So you basically want to push this lock right here, and that will lock it. Same thing for this side as well. So basically once you guys lock both parts right there, it's harder for you guys to move it around. But when you guys unlock it, you guys have the option to move it around if you guys want to. And like I mentioned earlier, for the locks on the wheel, they only have the lock in the front. They don't have it in the back. But even with the locks in the front, I think that's enough. You can see when I try to move it, it wouldn't move. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys fully set it up. You can see everything on here looks amazing and feels amazing. And the whole setup process took me a little bit over 2 hours to figure out everything and set it all up. But after more than 2 hours of setting a product, you can definitely see that the product looks pretty awesome. And I believe for this product, they actually have it available in white and black as well. So you definitely have those 2 color options to go for. But this is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. Once you guys finish the whole setup process, the actual product actually looks really nice and pretty awesome, if you can see right here. So if you guys are trying to look for a drawer that has like all these different options on here, like the wheel option, the 7 drawer option, or the 5 drawer option, and also give you guys the option on top right here to put stuff. If you guys want all of that, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one, or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.